Hey guys, so today we have a delicious, warming, black-eyed pea stew for you. We're not going to waste any time, we're going to get straight into it. You're going to start by putting your oil into a pan on a medium to low heat. We ran out of avocado oil, which I would normally use to make this, so instead I have used coconut oil, but use the oil of your preference. The best oils to use in our opinion are avocado and grapeseed, as they have a high smoke point. Add in your finely chopped onions and a couple of bay leaves. We generally use red onion, but you can use yellow or white. We tend to go with red because it has higher nutrients and antioxidants, but any would work well. Sprinkle a little bit of high quality salt to help prevent the onions burning, and then just let it cook down for a little bit. Add in around 4 to 5 cloves of minced garlic, mix it in well and cook down for a few minutes before adding the ginger. I don't know why I julienne the ginger this time. I never usually do that. I would normally crush it in a pestle and mortar. I guess I was just being a bit fancy. Add in 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar for sweetness. Stir it in and then just let it melt down a bit. Pour in 2 tablespoons of molasses, which is one of the elements we are going to use to substitute brown in. We used pomegranate molasses, but you can just use regular. You want to turn the temperature down at this point so that it doesn't burn. This is where you're going to add in all of these dry spices and the tomato puree. First, stir in 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. Now add in the dry spices that we listed. We opted to use Betapak curry powder, which is usually found in Jamaica. However, we have found it in certain markets in London, such as Dalston and Brixton. You can use any Caribbean curry powder of your choice for this. You want to toast your seasonings for a minute or 2 until they're fragrant. Now pour in 1 cup of the reserved cooking water from the black-eyed peas. Add in between 1.5 to 2 cups of steamed pumpkin. We pre-steam this, but you could also boil or roast about 1/4 of a medium pumpkin. Don't worry about keeping them chunky, as you want them to break up in the sauce. Now add in around 3 cups of cooked black-eyed peas. We recommend using dried peas as we use the cooking liquid for extra flavour, but you can use tin beans instead. Using dried beans is not only more cost effective, but they are better for you. I dissolved 1 Kallo low salt veg stock cube in a few tablespoons of water and then just mixed it through. Now you want to add in 1 cup of water. Stir in 1 finely sliced spring onion. Leave this to cook down for about 10 minutes or so. Now you can add half a cup of coconut milk, but this is optional. I just feel it adds a nice creaminess to the stew. We use Mum and Etsama's Scotch Bonnet oil, but if you don't have chili oil, add in Scotch Bonnet to taste when you add in the dry spices earlier in the dish. Add in 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. This is the second element we're using to substitute browning. Add salt to taste and cook down for 20 to 30 minutes before finishing with some fresh coriander. And now it's ready to serve. Really hope you enjoyed this one. Remember to comment, like and subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and we will see you next time.